Alright guys, Critter Moto coming back at you with part 2 of the KVR trip. We ended last time coming across another river, and we needed to look for a workaround. So we turned around, came back, and noticed this little trail to the right here. And Fearless Todd decided he'd go first and check it out. And as you can see, the trail gets right back up alongside the animal fence that protects the animals from the highway. That's the Coquihalla to our left there. And, we're at almost the summit of the Coquihalla here. And then in that first episode, that one fence crawl, we'll call it, was sketchy. This one was sketchier. Right here was super soft. Look to the right. It widens up a bit here so we can pick up some speed, so that's starting to feel a little bit better. But still, the only thing going through my brain was, please don't bounce off the fence. Good. She's getting warm now, though.
Huh?
I'd say she's getting warm now.
Yeah. Good thing I cooled my feet off in the nice cool water. But anyways, made it past that little narrow spot there.
Yeah, that was a little sketch.
A little cringe-worthy. But it wasn't like a drop off at 400 feet.
No.
So, I mean, it would have sucked to fall in there. But
Yeah, because these are heavy to pull up.
I do have a pull strap.
Oh, good. Just about washed out there. It was definitely a lot harder than it looks. Sure is pretty. Then as we pulled away from the river, we started getting into this treed section, came across this double track, and thought that maybe we're going to make up some time. Things looked like things were going to open up until we got to here. So we had to do a little bit of a workaround here. A little log in the way. Toddler's turn on the 9690. It's a great boat. Now, some of you more experienced riders will probably just double blip those two logs right there. You probably wouldn't even call them logs, you'd probably call them twigs. And then it was my turn. Oh, just about losing a shoe. Can't have that happen. And then I will be honest with you, I did contemplate just giving her and trying to go over top of these things. I changed my mind right at the last second.
This doesn't go on very long.
Yeah, no kidding, eh? So a little more side trail around this log here. And I got stuck. Not enough grip. Gotta love those Tractionator Enduro tires. And so as you can see, this trail was very soon becoming the trail of fallen trees. Okay. So, I'm gonna try a workaround over there. Get into this. How far? Just keep going? Okay. It was pretty warm at this time, so it felt good to be able to open it up and go. And then all of a sudden we came across pavement. So not sure if I was going the right way. I slowed down and waited for Todd to catch up. Make sure we're on the right track. He was the one with the trail, with the track on his GPS. So it looks like we're going the right way, so away we went. So many of these cool little bridges. Prior to this, we had crossed over to the other side of the highway and then made our way back to the other side of the highway and then started backtracking. So now we're kind of going back the way we came. We ended up doing a big sort of letter S. Slow down here and go down this way. And we made it up the mountain back into some trees. We had to do a little bit of hiking right here because everything was overgrown. We had to find the best route possible. Straight ahead was straight up, just impossible for bikes. Maybe on a quad, maybe. So there's this little footpath to the left that you saw Todd just go down. That was decided our best route. So we went this way. The fear here is having the front tire wash out as you do this transition right here. Once you're past that, you're good to go. There was a steel culvert in here though. And that's the end of part 2, boys and girls. Hope you liked what you saw. If you did, please consider subscribing. Don't forget to hit that like button. And that way you'll be notified when part 3 comes up. All right. Until next time, let's just get out there and ride. Critter Moto.